Hello dear Leo, welcome back to my channel and this is your third week's exclusive love reading plus career reading. So if your sun, moon, rising, any sign is Leo, this reading is for you. Your cards are already out, so let's begin. What's happening in your career and your love life? First, we will start with your career. You've got the Three of Stars and the Justice card. I do see that in work you could be dealing with a Libra Sun Moon Rising, or you could have a Libra Sun Moon Rising in your own birth chart. I do see that somebody stabbed you in the back, somebody took your money, ran away, or some sort of betrayal is there, and you are in a deeply hurt energy right now. If you are thinking of taking a revenge from this person, or you're still hurt and wondering what's gonna happen now, do not worry. You've got the Justice card in your reading, guys, which means the karma will take care of them. You don't have to do anything. Just sit back, relax, and then watch the show. Okay? I do see that whatever has been lost to you, the home, the money, the car, the business, that is going to be restored to you. Karma will balance it out, and you will also hear, if you're lucky, that that person got their karma, not just in the same way, probably in a better way, probably whatever. I would not like to specify in so many words, but you can imagine what I'm saying. When the karma takes care of it, it's better than our plan, right? So definitely some sort of relief is coming your way in the third week of May. Let's see what's happening in your love life now. You have got the Five of Stars and the Hierophant, which is also 5. You could be seeing 3 3, you could be seeing 5 5 on the clock, or it could be any angel number. Please always Google to see what it means for you. 5 5 is relevant in your personal life, and 3 3 could be relevant in your professional life, like in your career. So actually type it like that, because 3 3 5 5 can mean different things for your career and different for your love life as well. I do see that you could be dealing with an Aquarius, Capricorn, or Sagittarius Sun Moon rising in your love life, or you could have Capricorn, Sagittarius, or Aquarius Sun Moon rising in your own birth chart. I do see that there was a separation with this person. This person also hurt you, or you guys just broke up, blocked each other in some way, walked away, or this person abandoned you. For some of you, not all of you, I do see that there will be some sort of reconciliation and you will be getting married to this person only. To others of you, I do see you going forward and establishing a new relationship, a new marriage with a new person, right? So whatever your roles are, take what resonates with you. Some people are actually getting back with an ex and getting married to them, hopefully, and some people are finding the right partner, a new person with them, and getting married with them. So some sort of finalization is coming to you in the third week in the form of engagement or marriage or a relationship. You are moving forward towards better circumstances. Some traditional ceremonies are also happening around you. So traditionally you are establishing your status quo. So I'm very, very happy for you, because I do see that you're deeply hurt when it comes to your work, when it comes to your love life, or both for some of you. Unfortunately, you were deeply hurt till now, but I do see that your life is now moving forward and your situation changing. So definitely this third week is going to be very will come as a relief for you, will come as a positive change for you. So be ready and welcome it with open arms. If you guys resonated with this reading, do like, share, and subscribe my channel. And if you would like to claim the positivity of this reading, do comment. I claim this energy, I manifest this energy so that it reaches you faster. Also, I do personal readings, rituals, and counseling sessions as well. So if you have any specific question in your mind, you want to ask more about love, life, health, family, kids, anything, you can book a personal reading with me. Very cheap readings are available as well. Other than that, 12th May, the time of full moon, it's a perfect time to do any ritual or start any ritual. So please, if you want to book any ritual, you want to permanently remove blockages from any area of your life, choose that area and book your ritual and do that ritual for a month. Extremely powerful ritual. You don't need a lot for it. It's not expensive at all. So you can check it out. All the rituals are, I think, below 1,000. And yes, if you want to book a manifestation ritual, that's the bay leaf ritual for you. It's a one-time ritual that I will perform on your behalf to manifest the deepest, darkest desires of yours. Third, I have different packages available with me. For people who are single, I have a different package. For people in rough relationship, situationship, marriage, I have a different package. For people who are focused on their career and want to know more about their career, I have a set of questions in each package and I will be answering that for you. You can book a career package. Every package will come with a free remedy which I'll be giving you to remove the blockages from your specific area, whatever is blocking it. Lastly, spiritual counseling session, therapy session for people who need guidance, mentorship, who are stuck in their life, have a lot of negativity, do not have people to share, do not have trustworthy people to share their heart out with. You can come to me, share your burdens, feel light. This I won't be judging you as you're fearful that people will judge you or your secret will reveal. You can come to me and talk about anything that you talk to me stays a secret here. Nobody is going to know about it. So feel free to book your half an hour and 1 hour sessions with me. I also have unlimited question bookings with me for 25 minutes and 45 minutes. All these sessions, audio call and video call sessions, are only and only available on Instagram, Google Meet and Zoom. No WhatsApp is available on my channel. So please think about it before you book a reading, that if you're available on Instagram, do follow me on Instagram, the Moksha Tarot. DM me if you want to book any reading or want to know any prices. And yes, you will be updated on a daily basis of what is happening and what discounts or new rituals or when to do a ritual, and all that information you'll get on a daily basis on that channel. And here I'll meet you weekly and monthly. So do subscribe here as well so that you get to know about your reading in advance. Second format to book a reading is to email me at asthasharma842@gmail.com. I'll send you a link and we can get on a call once you book that reading and share the payment code with me. Alright. So this is how you can book any reading. Check out the prices also. You can DM or email me to know the prices as well. If you're already on my Instagram handle, then you will already know the prices because it's all over my Instagram and the stories. You can choose according to your budget, your availability as well. So this was your reading for the third week. I hope you will like, share, subscribe my channel and also follow me on Instagram. Thank you for watching. Take care of yourself and I will soon see you. See you soon. Bye bye.